Intelligent Industrial Systems offered at Tshwane University of Technology includes extensive training in the areas of artificial intelligence, games programming, electronics in IT, and robotics. Graduates are therefore able to follow careers in factory automation, computer hardware engineering, PLC technology, and entertainment software. The undergraduates who wish to enroll in this course must therefore have passed mathematics with a level of 4 and at least physical science with a level of 3.